Hi guys, welcome back to A to B with Lee. I'm Lee and I want to talk to you about free charging on the Pod Point network. Not sure if this is a UK only network or whether you do get it in other countries, but here in the UK, Pod Point is quite a popular network. They're a paid for network, or there are also some of the free chargers. Now, if any of you guys have watched my video, which I'll put a link to up here, on my 600-mile road trip for less than £10, you'll know that I stayed at a hotel that had a free charger, and it was a Pod Point charger. I already had the Pod Point app. I topped it up with money whenever I wanted to use their charging network, and I was confused at that hotel as to when I was plugging in to charge, I couldn't find the charger on the map within the app in order to initiate charging. Turned out you didn't need to, you just plugged in and it charged. It was a completely free flow of energy, no interaction needed, just plug and leave. I'm currently sitting in a Tesco supermarket car park. There are 4 Pod Point chargers here, free to use. I was constantly getting a charging interrupted message on the app after 2% of charging. Couldn't get beyond 2%, didn't understand why. Reset the car's software, spoke to Tesla, they were unaware of what the cause was. Other cars around me, Teslas, BMWs, Mercedes, all different makes, were clearly charging for longer than that with no issue. Turns out, on this free charger, you do have to go into the app and you do have to select the charger and you do have to authorize charging, otherwise it will cut out after 2%. That's all it was. So if you're using the free Pod Point chargers around the country, some of them will just activate and work freely, others you have to authorize within the app. I really hope that this cuts down wasted time and solves the mystery for some of you out there, so you don't experience what I did, wondering what the hell's going on. For more tips and tricks like this, please do like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and it means that you'll get more information from me in the future with tips and tricks like this as well, that I aim to help you guys have an easier time with your EV, especially if you're new to it. Cool. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you soon.